Welcome to Believer Trader. As we have successfully analyzed on 22, 23, and 24, and the 24, what we have actually analyzed, let us discuss actually they are achieved or not. Yes. Remains, I said that tomorrow below 60 or 597 or 598 could be a selling point. Then but it has not happened, and the level has not came at all. And Trans Finance, as I said, below 1070. Yes, it's gone up to 1060, easily 10 points, and we achieved that. And in day chart, if I show you, yes, in the 50-minute chart, yes, at 9:15 it has started, and 1077, no entry, no entry, no entry. Yes, 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 coming. Yes, this was the level when we entered 1070 and went up to 1060. Had if we'd have booked at least 9 points here, 8 into 5, 4,000. And Apollo Hospital, we had thought that below 15, 10 or 12 to sell, not came at all to our level. That's very pretty cool. If not they came to our level, then we are safe. The style and said that big things are going to wait for this one. And I said that above 648 level to be buy, and at first 15 minutes, if it is allowing slowly, then only enter, otherwise no. Has given a chance at 9:45, went up by breaking the first 15 minutes closer one 648. When you'd have entered 648.5 at least, then you would have earned more than, right, 9 points here. They waited 12 points, yeah. And 12 points means how much? This one just style, I think it's 700 quantity, I think it's for this one. Just style is 1400, 12 points. My god, it 10 point at least if you have got, it's 14,000. And TCS, and I said to buy above 2070. It is opened at 2084, and it didn't came to our level, so we waited and waited. Yes, here. When it is reversing, then only I'm telling you. Yeah, if you'd have entered here 2070, it went up to 2078. But if you are keeping 2070, then 2060 would have been your stop loss. And again, if you would have waited and came 2077, again it has corrected here and it went up to 2089. And I said 2070 to 2089, more than 19 points. TCS, yes, it's achieved thing. So today Raymond and Apollo Hospital not came to our level, and as we have seen in a 15 minutes chart in intraday also, it doesn't didn't came to our level. And one more index is what I just discussed is Bank Nifty. I said that 29,700 to be a good resistance for this one, and I said below 29,500, 29,000 is not far, and this came up to the nick like 29,050. Intraday is also more than 500, means how much big profit you can imagine. Okay, this was the best analysis we had, and only two not came to our level, and all other were in profit. And for tomorrow on 25th, we have just listed some stocks here. We'll just analyze these things, and once again I listed just start here as trading thing for our next day. As we see here, the inverted hammer is made here. It has given a profit above 648 and went up to 660 easily, and again it is in the action that to sell below 642 if the level came, and 15 minutes also, first 15 minutes or below, after 15 minutes, whatever that may be, support and resistance with volume, if it is supporting, then 100% below 642 it could be an action. And I will draw some line here so to know that whether we are analyzing right thing. No, something, what is happening? Yes. Ah, yes, this below 643, 642 is below 642 or 641 is the safe level to sell, and at least 5 to 6 point or 7 8 points. And as said, just a 1400 quantity of future, it is easy, and 642 below a sell call for this one. And the next is Scots, same way, it is facing some resistance here, upper level. You can see easily actually the what point it is stopped now. See 649 here on May, resistance, one more resistance. Yes, so below 649 or 646, so what is slow? Slow is 642, and if I am thinking below 645 is not a bad to sell it. Okay, because it's facing some resistance, and also it is in the bullish way. If we say this one way is bullish, but I'm thinking it's short below 645. Okay, it could be a sell for this one. And Tata Steel, I taken this stock because some kind of resistance here. Yes, let me draw. Yeah, yes, yeah, up to 360 or something. The it is showing some kind of resistance here. Now we can see easily. I think so. It is facing some resistance at 360. If tomorrow breaks above, and I'm saying if it is breaking above 360, if the volume is coming, definitely tomorrow buy level up to 370. Okay, and next resistance should be there only. You can see 1 2 and another support 333, or sorry 320 24 taken support here, double side. And tomorrow resistance faces above 360, uh, above only 361. It's a safer way to buy it. And next McDowell, and McDowell, yeah, McDowell, why I'm choosing this one? Yes, because it is exactly at 609, supported, and if support that breaks, the line is very beautiful here, 609. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, below 609 or 607 or 6, below 606 could be an action to sell it up to 600 at least. Okay, McDowell. Next, next Bulk Industries, and I had specifically chosen this stock because in one of my video, and I analyzed that where it is actually facing the resistance, as in my video I discussed at 850, and it is becoming true now. And if these level it is breaking, then going to be very big uh, bull is going to come. But it is facing so much resistance, and it needs so much push here, so that to when to go about 869 or 870. See, wow, it's waiting. And as of now 850 is the one of the resistance here. Whenever it coming at 850 and returning, then you flow in that level, definitely win. You can see in 15 minutes chart, today's chart, It came up to 850 to 853 level. See, when it has came to negative. See, the opportunities went down up to 840. So some kind of resistance facing here. So it could be an opportunity to you decide on in the intraday level according to the Nifty phase. I'm saying if Nifty is going negative, then some of the stocks are reflecting the same thing, and the same thing is happening in this stock also. And one more choice has done is ICICI Bank. I had done this stock for my choices because it's continuously in the up, going up and up, and now the resistance facing at 458. Only I'm not giving any calls or any. I'm telling you to sell or buy here because I want to show you that it is going some kind of resistance or making some kind of a noise here. So when if it opens above, it is has closed at 455 now. If it is going above and 456 or 458, 459, yeah, this is a point, the zone you have to decide whether to buy or sell. And as for my concern, if I think so, one more resistance is going to stand here, okay, and above 459. No, I think so. Tomorrow, if it is opening below 100, 455, and definitely up to 3 to 4.6 is going down. And if it is opening above 400, in between 458 or 455, and it is going up, if it is breaking and stopping, if it is stopped in negative way, then definitely sell, and you have to plan accordingly this one because this is the resistance and support level I'm just talking about. Tech Mahindra. Yes, in Tech Mahindra, the same thing. It is in the some kind of a resistance or a label 400, 725. Below, I'm thinking to short it below 724, the safest way. And you can easily analyze it and you can easily tell that, yeah, this is made inverted hammer. That's why he's going to sell it. No, the labels are pakka. Then only you do it because something is below 72 because something is cooking here 74 to 24. If it is coming in the same level and is going up, yes, it is taking a support here at 726. So decide accordingly because some kind of resistance is facing 1 2 3. It is making a base here. I'm telling you base. If it is making a base here only, then automatically it could go up. In the equity or any stock market or market, you have to think on the both way, either bull or bullish or bearish. In this way, here I'm telling below 724 is a bearish, and if it is taking the same this level going up, and then it is going to be bullish. Decide accordingly. And if I want to short it tomorrow, I want to short it below 724. Okay, these are all things we have discussed today, and just time as I said, okay, below 642. Okay, and if it is taking this 647 as a above level, then it is definitely going up again once again during travel of bull. Some kind of a bear will come in the middle. Likewise, if it is above 648, definitely buy. Otherwise, again the things will go down below 652, sell. Not in middle. Okay, it's got, I said, it's below 645 is the level is to sell, even though because it has taken a support here. If it's support price, then go. Tata Steel above 361 is safest level to buy, and if 50 is standing strongly. McDowell, I said, uh, may taken a support at 609. Better is to below 606 to sell it. And Balakrishna Industries, yeah, I just analyzed that how it is taking a resistance here. And even in my previous videos, I had discussed what actually Balakrishna Industries is taking and resistance with support, all those things. And ICC Bank, the same thing. I said that below 454 level and below 458, sorry, above 458 levels. And Tech Mahindra, same thing. As I said, above 726, if it is taking a base at 727, and 730 is, above 730 is good things to buy, and below 724 it is better to sell it. So decide accordingly and according to the market. Just the analysis what I have discussed today. If you like it, please subscribe and just share with your friends. And what I say, if you give me a likes here, and I will be very happy to talk with you and analyze the things. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.